Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Shein referral code inside the Shein app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up your Shein app like you normally would. And now for this demonstration, I'm going to order a random object from here. So I'm going to order this t-shirt. So click into this t-shirt. I'm going to add this to my cart. I'm going to choose a size. Alright, that's in my cart. So now I'm going to go ahead and click onto my cart to head over to the checkout section. So I'm going to go checkout. And now on the confirmation section here, if you scroll down, you can look at all the different ways you can pay via PayPal, credit card, buy now, pay later, Google Pay, etc. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you've got an option to add a gift card, which is the same thing as adding a referral code. So if you go in and click on gift card, and now put in that referral code here, the card number and the PIN, and then click on apply. And then once you've applied that referral code, that will bring the price of this object lower in price. You can also add a coupon code here as well. So if you click onto a coupon code, you can apply a coupon code, click on apply, and then that will lower the price of your cart.